Hi, I'm Mark Hayward, joint owner and founder of Dingley Dell Pork. We're a family farming business based in the UK, supplying premium pork across the UK and overseas. We produce a range of products from charcuterie to fresh pork cuts to processed products to hams and bacons, and you'll find us on the menus of many different people around the world. For us as a business, we recognise that what we do is all about taste, and the sort of key component is marbling or intramuscular fat. So for us, it was really important that we developed that on farm. We're able to scan the live animal for levels of marbling and then work a breeding programme back on the basis of breeding most marbled to most marbled. And over the last 8 years, we've developed our own breed, the Suffolk Red. From an animal welfare point of view, it's all about providing the right kind of environment and the right kind of nurturing. On this farm, we've developed a rotational system for the pigs, whereby at any one stage, 50% of the land is down to pigs, 50% of the land is down to nature. For us, the real tenement to what we do is to produce great tasting meat. It's about product innovation, it's about bespoke butchery, and it's about just delivering excellence to the customer.